Hey, so as you can see, we have another whiteboard video, and I'm going to explain how intermittent fasting works. As humans, we tend to overcomplicate things, or we try to make excuses as to why we can't do something or why we should do something, and we tell ourselves this story. And when it comes to intermittent fasting, hopefully I spelled it right too, because that'd be embarrassing, but when it comes to intermittent fasting, people want to dive into the scientific portion, as when you're fasted, you burn more fat, or when you don't eat at certain times, your body uses that fat or the calories, and they magically, I don't know what the excuse is, but I'm going to give you the non-scientific. I'm going to give you the non-common core math way to lose weight with using intermittent fasting. Sometimes to get 2 + 2, you don't need to break the numbers down. Sometimes you just need to know 2 + 2 = 4. All right, so we're going to use this example daily calorie goal for fat loss of 1,600. So in order to lose weight over the course of time, a person needs to eat 1,600 calories per day. So how intermittent fasting works is this is an eating breakdown. So 7 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m., 10 p.m. So this is breakfast, lunch, dinner with a few snacks in there. And I know some of you might see here 10 p.m. Well, they're eating late night, so that's why they're gaining weight. No, the reason that they're gaining weight is when you add all of these together, they're eating 1,900 calories. So this is how intermittent fasting works, and it's almost too simplistic. You take away that breakfast, you take away that first meal, and breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Think about what breakfast is. It's breaking the fast. Break fast. Taking away that 7 a.m. meal for 400 calories, you are now under your calorie goal. So now you even have 100 calories to play with. You're still eating the same, so you're not overcompensating, and you're not eating, well, since you didn't have a breakfast, you're not now eating a 950 calorie lunch. You're still eating the same here. You're just taking away that breakfast. And when you take away the breakfast, you go on 0 calories. So you go coffee without any creamer, so just black coffee, water, 0 calorie sodas, pops if you want, and I'm not going to get into the specifics of the fake sugar and how it might react to your body differently, just 0 calories. And push off that first meal until 12 p.m. or whatever your schedule is. You might be looking at this too, and you say, well, I wake up at 4 a.m. or I wake up super early. This isn't an exact eating schedule. All it is you're eliminating that first meal. So then you're not eating right when you get up, and then you're not eating again for lunch, and then you're not eating again for snack, and then dinner, and then you're just, throughout the entire day, you're just eating. Take away that first meal, and you'll see that it becomes easier. As you become more aware and as you get used to the routine, you'll see that it's easier to push off your first meal. The first day that you get up, you might only be able to push it off till 11 a.m. And that's fine. It's not necessarily the science behind it. It's the fact that you are pushing off those calories until later on in the day, and you are able to eliminate 400 extra calories because you are just eliminating here. So that's how intermittent fasting works. It's not overly complicated. Take away that first meal, take away some calories, and you'll see that over the course of time, you'll start to lose weight.